Welcome to Ultimate DIYer, where you learn to be your own handyman. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to start a community post playlist, basically where I kind of update all the subscribers on the channel as to what's going on the channel and what changes are happening. There's a few things that have just recently happened. As of March the 1st, we finally hit our 1,000 subscribers, which is a very big milestone in the YouTube world. If you're not familiar with that, that's when you finally start getting monetized. You get a lot of other benefits. You're basically considered a legitimate channel at that point. But just in the last month since that happened, we have hit 2,600. So we've added another 1,600 people or subscribers in just the last 30 days. So what we're going to do, though, we are going to make some changes at this point. One of the things you're going to notice is we have brought our shorts back onto the actual channel. I used to have two separate channels and tried to keep them separate. What I've decided to do is just keep everything in one page, but we are going to move the shorts all the way down to the bottom of the page. So that way, if you want to watch shorts, you can go down there and see them, and they're not going to interfere with all of the DIY videos up at the top of the page. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to unclick the little box as I upload those, which states that they're going to show up in your feeds. So that way you're not getting blitzed with a ton of shorts every day in your feed coming from Ultimate DIYer. So the only things you're going to generally see in your feed are going to be our regular videos. So that being said, they'll be at the bottom. If you'd like to go watch the shorts, you can do that at any time. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page. And as you're scrolling down there, you're going to notice there is another playlist that we've just added. This playlist is the Amazon Influencer Program videos. What we now have is we have signed up with Amazon Influencer, and we have a page on Amazon. You can watch these videos, and if you want that product, you can hit the product link and go to the product. You can also go to our page as well and see all of our videos on Amazon. What this does is it allows us to have an income coming in from Amazon, which helps pay for equipment and keep our production costs under control without having to do a subscriber-based system where it costs our subscribers money if they want to support us. This way, if you want to support us, you just simply watch a video. If you want that product, click on that link, go to Amazon and purchase that product. Amazon gives us a fee for you following that link and buying the product. It does not cost you anything extra than you would have already paid. Another thing that you can do, if you know you're fixing to buy something on Amazon, if you will go to our page, click on one of our links, and follow it to Amazon, doesn't matter what the product is, and then from that point, go to whatever product you're going to buy, and you buy that, we still get a fee. Pretty much anything you buy within 24 hours after clicking that link, we collect a small fee. And it's a very small fee, but they do add up and they help buy things, like I said, like new cameras and new equipment. So if you want to support us, that's a great way to do it. Some of the other things that are changing, we have a lot of video that has already been recorded that is going to be uploaded in the near future. But my wife, Regan, has decided to join with me now, and she'll be doing a lot of the filming behind the camera. That's going to make the quality of the videos go up quite a bit. So look for that in the future. You'll probably hear her in the background trying to give me direction. So that ought to be real interesting on how that works. But this will be one of many videos coming. We're going to have this little video that we're doing right now in a special playlist under community updates. That way you can kind of go in and see the updates and see what's going on. If you've noticed things are changing on the channel and you're not sure exactly what's going on. If you still want to watch the DIY only content, it's going to be at the very top of the page now in its own playlist. And it's going to be nothing but DIY content. So I hope this helps, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. We'll see you later.